Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. I hope you guys are fine. Today my group will present the results of the Pebble project with the title project is UKT Recommendation System for Batam State Polytechnic Students. For one semester, our team has dedicated time, expertise, and unwavering commitment to making this application a reality. Here we have project proponent is Prodi IF Poly Batam. And we have project manager is Noper Ardi. Here this project team member, me Said M. Razali as a leader, and the member is Yosef Manganju Manalu, Baik Ardewani Dara Puspita, Maya Gusvina Putri. Project description. The Batam State Polytechnic Student UKT Recommendation System is a web-based application that utilizes artificial intelligence to provide UKT recommendation to students, thereby speeding up the service process for the students to receive UKT recommendations. Using a recommendation algorithm to produce recommendations for UKT amounts that are appropriate to students' economic abilities. The system can use various data and information such as student family economic data, student parent income data, and education cost data. Here the result output the Pebble project. In planning, we have FR and NFR and questionnaire. In analysis, we have UML, IRD, database relational, and flowchart. In design, we have wireframe and implementation source code, implementation database, logbook, HKI and manual book, and the last is poster. Percentage of project achievement, planning is 100%, analysis 100%, and implementation we progress 90%. In design progress 90%, testing 100%.
Okay, let's see. That is our planning step. That there have questionnaire and FR and FR requirement.
Next, this is one of the advances we have complete in this project, namely ERD analysis.
And the next analysis step, we have flow chart. You can see at the picture.
Next, one of the progress that we have complete in the form of an analysis that display use case, where this use case we have two actors, namely students and admins.
Okay, and also at analysis step we have use case scenario. That's one part of our scenario that is register, and we have 9 scenario in use case scenario.
Next, one of the progress that we have complete in the form of an analysis that display activity diagram.
And the next is implementasi. We have database relational. You can see that we have primary key, that is ID, and we have foreign in berkas to and biodata. And at the berkas we have primary at that is ID Berkas.
The next achievement of our project is that we have completed the implementation phase front end and back end. On the implementation of our coding using PHP and Python language with the Bootstrap framework.
Okay, next we have AI implementation. As you can see, we use Python to implement our AI. Firstly, we have used DSS or Decision Support System. We use SAW method, that is simple additive weighting. As you can see from the picture, firstly we have to make a few variable. The first file, as you can see in the picture, is like Ayah and Ibu, Wali, and much more. Next, we have to count the normalization matrix. After that, you count by multiplying the normalization matrix, and then you add up all the number so you can get hasil. As you can see here, we also use a little bit of query inside our Python, so the code will always update hasil and besaran at berkas database at tabel berkas in our database. Next. It's the same thing.
Logbook exposure. As you can see, this is the logbook our PBL project. Division of work. In here, UX and UI, we are all of team is participation. In front end and back end, here is Said and Yosef, the participation. In gathering ideas and software requirement, here is Baik and Maya, the participant. In IRD and use case, here Maya and Baik. Next, the testing and questionnaire, all of team. And the last is PBL report, is by Baik and Maya. Problems, time management, and little change to the original plan of the system. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.